Tama nga si Bugoy. Bakit sa dinami-dami ng mamahalin ko, bakit ikaw pa? Ikaw pang masaya na sa piling ng iba. Ikaw pa na ang tingin lang naman sa akin ay tropa. Sa dinami-dami ng babae, bakit sa'yo pa? Minsan ayaw ko na lang sumama sa barkada. Dahil alam kong masasaktan lang akong makita na kasama mo siya. Mahihirapan lang ako na maging masaya. Lalo na't nalaman kong ikakasal ka na. Sana pala noon sinubukan ko na. Di na ako nagpadaig sa takot na baka mawala ka. Kasi mas masakit palang tanggapin na kasama nga kita. Pero ang ikaw at ako, imposible na. Ako si Roy, nagmamahal ng kaibigan. At ito ang aking biyaheng one-way love. My love, this one I've seen one too many times. Sa barkada ko, sa mga kaibigan ko, may isa sa kanilang na-in-love sa isa and then hindi ma-reciprocate nung kaibigan ko yung pagmamahal. I mean, yes, they love the person. It's just that it's not the same level of love na ginugusto nung taong yon. I've seen this situation, hindi ko siya maitawid eh. Lumalabas yung tunay na ako. Wait, di ko matawid. I've seen this type of one-way love one too many times. May iba pa nga na tipong ang eksena ay nalaman niyang na in love sa kanya yung barkada ko. Itong barkada ko dahil alam niyang nothing will ever happen, nag-move on with someone else. And then now, sa kanya na-realize, mahal niya pala yung kaibigan ko. Diba, it's kinda sad for you to miss a chance to be with someone that you actually love just because you are too scared to try. I mean, sure, we are risking something on the line kapag sinabi natin sa tao kung ano yung nararamdaman natin sa kanila. But don't you owe it to yourself na malaman yung totoo? Don't you owe it to yourself na malaman kung may chance ka ba o wala? Di ba mas maganda na mag-move on ka from something na alam mong hindi mangyayari? Kesa mag-move on ka from something and then regret na, what if sumubok ako? What if tirinay kong sabihin sa kanya? Would things end differently? My love, masyadong maikli and unpredictable ang life. There's always a risk that we lose people whenever we tell them the truth. Pero if that truth ay may other side, merong may possible na opposite reaction from the words that you are thinking, go for it, my love, especially when it's about love. It's about something that you feel. Kasi yung fear na nararamdaman mo, it only goes to show how important that person really is to you. It only goes to show na kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, that is true, that is real. So no one will ever question kung totoo ba yung nararamdaman mo. Are you just fooling around? Are you just playing? Kasi the fact na ganyan ka katakot, maging totoo sa sarili mo na that's actually how you feel for that person, makes it more definite that you should. Again, maikli lang yung buhay and life is unpredictable. Do not miss your opportunity to be with someone that will make you happy and that you can make happy as well. If you have a chance to love someone with the best that you can possibly can, my love, go for it. Take your chance. If you got shot down, if na-reject ka, it's okay. Let's work things out na lang in the future if we can retain that friendship back. But you just have to give it a shot. Kasi you know na if you'll have that person in your life, you will never do anything to hurt them. And that's the kind of love they deserve. The kind of love that you can give. Claro?